Yeah, no fucking car already, man.
No, let's not talk about it.
Motherfucking car. I'm getting the water out of here, but it's still dripping there. Turn the car on for a second.
Go get the keys.
Oh.
This one's actually